Thanks to the Institute for Adult Learning, my 2-day communications workshop, Command the Room, continues its run in 2026. That means everyone has another year to pick up effective speaking and leadership habits to become more influential communicators. If you don't already know, Command the Room is possibly the only professional speech training in Singapore that harnesses speech rules to hone enunciation. For instance, why do we say LinkedIn with a T sound? Here are more reasons Command the Room is the speech training you need in 2026. I shall give workshop dates here as soon as I have them. You may also visit www.ial.edu.sg. I wish everyone a memorable end to 2025 and look forward to meeting you in 2026. I'm Joseph Wong.